How to delete Character.AI account. So if you want to delete Character.AI account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. So basically all you have to do over here is simply go ahead and launch the Character.AI application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then from here what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, and once you tap on the profile icon, just tap on the gear icon again from the top right. Once you have done that, simply scroll down to the very bottom, and right at the very bottom of the screen you'll find an option that says remove account. So just tap on the remove account option. Now it'll ask you, are you sure about this? You will lose everything, characters associated to your account, chats, the love, the messages, the posts, and the memories. You just have to make sure to enter the username to confirm it, and just tap on the remove account to delete your Character.AI account. This way you'll be able to delete your Character.AI account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.